Hello, Rudhan. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I am feeling over the moon because today this time is our the session class. The high now studying a lot of studying the indoor class, and so we are boring field. That's why our sir decided the two outdoor class. One outdoor class is 12 p.m. and so another outdoor class is this time the evening time. It's so good for when we are outdoor class doing outdoor class. Then we are feeling so good. That's why I feel
No,
good.
no, but I suggest you one thing. I think outdoor session is good for us because when we stay at class for a long time, then we feel bored. Then, but when we go for outdoor session, then it's good for us because we know about our environment, about our nature,
Yeah.
and we feel so amazing.
Also, our mind is precious
Yeah.
when we are out the
And
class.
today I'm coming to you for know something about internet. Please you say something about the benefits of internet.
Oh, this is a very interesting topic about benefits of, about internet. Well, internet is very important for us.
Of course.
Every people, right time, they need the internet. When we are any information needed, then we are using internet. And anything another country news, we need anything news, then we need the information. And you said that. Entertainment sector and entertainment sector and educational sector.
Firstly, you say something about the education system. How we get benefit from education sector.
Every student using internet. Just every student using the another apps for learning platform. Yes. You suggest the another apps Duolingo about maybe you know about the
Yeah, I know about this.
please describe the some one line about the Duolingo.
Yeah. Duolingo is the best apps for learning speaking. It's a help you when you want to learn English speaking. Then it's a help you. Most of the time you are speaking with Duolingo, and you know about new things, a new idea. You achieve a new idea. And firstly, I say about the education and education. When you want to know about education information about abroad, when you go to abroad for higher studies, then you very easily collect information from the website. When you searching on website about the information about university, which university you want to admit it, then you just search on this about this university. Then you very easily collect information about this university.
As some added, when we are faces the COVID-19, every our country and another countries, every institute, education center is or declared the off. This time, students needed the learn information related learn about topic subject, but they are not physically go to school or institute. Then this time, there our student realized that internet internet is too much important.
Yeah, that's our world teacher taught us by using internet, and they give us give us a online learning system. A maximum time they make a video and then he uploaded on the a specific group, and then we are collected was this video from this group, and it's very good for our learning, I think. And every people, I think every students are facing this achieve this benefit.
Yeah. I want to say something about the benefits of internet topic of entertainment. Entertainment.
It's
When,
very interesting.
yeah, when we are feeling bored, any person feeling bored, we're having this using internet, Facebook, Instagram, Viber, Twitter. This side, we are on opinion. They share the Facebook and Instagram. Then so yeah, scrolling entertainment, take entertainment, the videos, reels, this time, and you also using the YouTube for drama, watching movie. Yeah, another sector, lots of beauty.
And when you want to communication by the social media sector, it's very help for you because sometimes our many relatives live abroad or another place for their study or what purpose. And this time you make a video call for connected with him, and then you easily connected with him, and it's very helpful for us for communication, I think.
Do you say something about the treatment related with the
At present, treatment is very, treatment service is very developed in our country, because of when you feel sick, that's time you search, you just comment on the telemedication in the website. Then you
video conference and video conference to the
when you post about your sickness, then any doctor connected with you for give you service, give you service. Then you then this doctor give you prescription for about your sickness, and it save you time or save you money, I think.
Yeah. I added another topic. The when we need any information, example, for example, you brother stay in another country and you stay our country, and you need more information. Then you immediately call using internet. Your brother, please tell me about this information. Then immediately your brother is give you this information. It is very beneficial for us.
Yeah, you easily collect information by using internet.
This time is a very modern time. That's why we are easily video conferencing. Then we are conversation sharing its opinion, each other opinions, and
Very and another things, when you want to collect any information about international sector or international idea, then you easily collected this type of information from website. Just you are looking for on the website, then about your specific topic, then website show about this topic. Then when you collected any news about international sector, then it's the benefit for you, I think.
Yeah. Another topic you say something that's our international benefits of internet.
Okay, of course. When international sectors that help us,
So currently Pakistan and India the conflict, creating conflict. This time Pakistan or India, when the missile system has the conflict, this time my internet system growth
help us for collecting this information. And we easily
send this own country.
Yeah, we usually watching this video by using internet, because internet is didn't update very properly. Then we didn't see anything about this news.
Yeah, internet is daily, day by day improving our modern sector, and give us the very opportunity for us and our life easily, but increase the easily.
Okay, thanks for your information. As I think today I have to go and I have some work. So thanks for your information.
Okay.
Okay, okay, see you again.
That's good.